Hey guys, so I'm back with another Valentine's Day look. This time I'm using my Naked Cherry palette. Most of you guys have seen this before, but it's basically this palette right here. Ooh, I got my smudge prints all over, whatever. But I thought this would be an amazing palette to use for this Valentine's Day look. Because it has just a lot of romantic colors in here. I mean, Valentine's Day, pink is a very big color, so I thought why not create a wearable pink look for us ladies who are more just like a more toned down, but also like a little color to our eyes. I will definitely create more looks that are softer with other palettes that I have as well. There are a few that I have in mind that I really want to try out, so stay tuned for those. If you like this look and kind of want to see how I did it, what colors I use, or just want to follow along, then just keep on watching the video and I will show you just step by step how I got this entire look. I also want to point out that I did do my foundation and my bronzer and concealer all before the video just to save on time. I'm going to use the Balm Put a Lid on It primer for my eyes. I just put it all over my lid, up to the brow bone. Taking the color Hotspot with a large shader brush, and I'm just going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. Gonna grab the color Feelz with a 224 by MAC. And I'm going to apply that into the crease. This will be my transition color. I'm also going to take Caution, which is this really light brown color, and I'm going to actually soften up the pink color right there just by putting it on the outer edge of the color. Bang bang right here. A small medium shader brush. I'm going to put that, just press it onto my eyelid. I'm pressing to avoid as much fallout as I can. Now I'm grabbing Ambitious, which is right there, with a 221 by MAC, and just take a little bit of it, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my lid, just slightly pressing it, or patting it I should say, and kind of start to blend it into the crease a little bit, just to deepen that outer V. Now I'm taking Devilish, which is right there, and just tapping it very slightly, and I'm going to deepen out that V color with it. Just blend it into the crease a little bit on the just on the outer part of the eye. Turn on right here. It's going to go into the inner corner of the eye. I applied Ardell's Adore lashes in Lola. They're kind of dramatic. I don't have very natural lashes at the moment, so I have no choice but to apply these. And I'm going to bind them with mascara. Now I'm taking Pink Champagne Glow by Pixi. Oop. I'm going to use the lightest pink shade here. And apply that to my cheeks. Becca's highlighter in Pearl. Opening it the wrong way. And just swirling my brush in there. At the highest points of my cheek. Down the nose. Cupid's bow. And my chin. Stila's Olivia Color Balm Lipstick. I found this lip balm at Marshall's for like $6. So, and I'm really happy that I got it because it's a very light and also kind of has a cooling feeling to the lips, which I like. But it's light but pigmented on my lips, and it goes great with this look. So I realized that I put on a cool tone highlighter with this look when I have gold tones more in my eyes. So I'm going to take Moonstone by Becca, and I'm going to replace it and just add a little cool or warm tones to it. So this is the look up close. Sorry if my eyelashes are a little wonky. This one especially, just, I don't know, it's being weird. I wouldn't say it's a very simple eye look because you're using way more than just like two colors. You use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors and on the eyes. But I think that it's a very soft glam look that you can wear without it being too overwhelming or too draggish or anything that's just a little too dramatic for the girls who want a softer look for the eyes. You can create a lot of looks with this palette, so I'll be using it more often, especially during this Valentine's Day series that I have going on. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I hope that you enjoy it, and let me know if you try it out. I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon, and God bless. Bye.